This is our adventures of walking down the
Prairie Trail.
We're walking through green shit. Now you can't see it, but it's moss, and it's right there, right here, right. It's gross, right, and it's gross. All right, and it's like in the bottom. Oh, look at my shoe. Yeah. Oh shit.
Whoa. Hey there, you know I'm Twitter people.
Like a horse parade to do for
No.
I want to do that one where the Newton and Monroe were birds that if you walk across back in the day, like 1800 type shit, you drop the baby, this woman like kills her kid, but it's a baby. She drops her and like two babies around her.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
And
why are you telling me a horse story in the middle of the fucking woods?
Yeah.
Because it's cool. And it's like, every day, every
Ooh, a big tree.
if you...
I'm sorry.
Okay.
See those trees all around us? They're very low. Big!
Anyway, if you cross the bridge at midnight, you can hear the cries of the baby. Or not the baby, the mother crying because she wants her baby.
Yeah, I think I camped at that bridge, dude.
It sounds like that. I have to ask my aunt.
Look at the dying. Someone cut it down.
Okay.
Look, they cut it. That's not nice. No, that was a nice tree. Look at the size of that fucking tree.
Are you sure someone cut it down?
Look at the saw marks. That's a clean cut.
Wait, no. Here, come here.
That's just bullshit. I want to kill him. Don't take that seriously. I want to go to jail for having...
Normally you can tell us how
It looks like 4.
It's like it's 4 years.
4 years old, motherfuckers cut. Bitches.
4 years old.
Wish I could grow that big. Yeah, that's a huge bitch.
They need to get to that, to them genetics. And then the other trees, so they go boom.
Dude, no. Off of half base, when he goes out there to feed the fucking horse, he's like, I bet you hungry, girl. She's like, fuck you, nigga. That's my favorite part. Like, when it happens, you know, I was like, bust out laughing. Yeah, alright, this is the end of 1.